very ominous skies over Gorman. Very ominous over here. A lot of convection, a lot of cloud base. Something might go off around here too. Just to the north of Gorman, this big cluster right here is about to blow up. I wouldn't be surprised if this thing reaches severe levels. So that means 60 miles an hour winds and penny to quarter size hail. That thing looks monstrous. Very fresh as well. Look at that. Cloud development, very fresh. Look at the rain shaft. Look at the rain shaft of that storm. Very, very heavy rain. And on the side to my right, there's another one developing right there. So I wouldn't be surprised if these two guys merge together to become one monster storm. And it has the capability to do so because there's a lot of cloud base and this just might explode. This cell is very, very strong. Look at that. Very strong. Up that hill. Look at that. It is raining torrentially, or this is coming this way. Look at that. There's been hail here. So the storm passed and there's been hail. So a lot of it on the ground. A lot of hail on the ground. Look at this. So that storm that I was tracking earlier contained a lot of hail. Look at this. There's a lot of hail on the road. A lot of hail. Right now I'm parked south of Bakersfield and it is very windy, and that is a large storm over there. And this storm, huge. Earlier you saw the hail on the 5, and that storm have drifted to the west, and that is a big clap of thunder and a lot of cloud base over here. And this could easily go off at any moment, but that over there is, wow. You can also see a little bit of dust, and just to give you an idea how windy it is over here. It is so windy. This might be an outflow boundary or a downdraft. Look at this. Look at this. Nothing but dust. That's how quick a dust storm could form. Look at the dust. That's how quick it can form. Look at this over here. Nothing but dust. Visibility reduced to less than a quarter mile south of Bakersfield. Look at this. Just to give you guys a heads up that this dust storm is coming from a thunderstorm southeast of Bakersfield. It is intensifying and it is very, very strong at this moment. Look at that. Look at that. So right there in front of me, that is dust, but behind it, that is the actual storm. I could see the cloud base, but down low I see a lot of dust rushing out of that storm. Check this out right here. I'm in Bakersfield, California. It is raining hard, and that is the storm right there that I was observing earlier. Look at the dust over here. And it is coming down where I'm at right now, so I'm gonna have to get in. Look at the wind. Look at the wind. Wow. Very strong wind. And some very big raindrops. Look at the heavy rain that's falling here in Bakersfield. Look at this intense storm. The storm just knocked out power here in Bakersfield. Damn. Look at this wild dust storm. I'm exiting the Central Valley and I can't even see a quarter mile.